A few subscribers may know that occasionally I do product overviews for the peeps over at Tech Tool Supply and their YouTube channel. This is one of those occasions, except I'm uploading the director's cut here with more footage. You're welcome. In the old days, when people who fished wires, inspected behind walls, creepy crevices, harrowing holes, and areas full of venomous spiders, when they needed extra help, they used a ferret. But they were mean, had sharp teeth, and apparently needed food? So nowadays we have things like the appropriately named Cable Ferret Wifi, which is kind of like a real ferret except less musky, and also a little more like a wireless, fishable, and glow rod compatible camera that uses the screen on your current smartphone. Of course, glow or fish rods are just extendable pole systems for people who work, and no one ever trained a ferret to do that stuff. At least I don't think they did. I don't know why it's named the Wi-Fi ferret, I just needed a dumb opening line. In the most basic of terms, or for idiots, the Wi-Fi ferret is a slim-line action camera that prefers doing work to extreme sports and skateboard videos. And also that's waterproof to IPX67 standards. Just make sure the cap is covering the power switch and charge port on the back, and you're ready for slime, water, and non-corrosive fluids. There's a few extra O-rings included in case your O-rings wear out. It's suited for running and pulling of wires in hard-to-see places, or a flexible inspection tool for all sorts of industries. It attaches to your current glow rod system or wire pull system or fishing set with an included set of brass adapters to make things compatible with your sticks. Adapt and thread your rod through the back. The camera is rechargeable via an included USB-C cord. You or the person who buys things for you will need to supply a USB power brick, like your phone charger. I just use my iPhone charger brick. In addition, it also includes a flexible gooseneck to get you around tight corners and odd angles, and a rod and a hook to attach to the front of the camera to help pull wires or things. There's even a strong magnet attachment included to retrieve a metal object or tool from the tightest of spots. Yeah, I know, cool. It's not just cool, bro, it's lit. Literally. It has a set of bright LEDs on the camera end that allow you to see in completely dark areas full of dad jokes. So what else do you need to supply with the Wi-Fi ferret other than your rod system and charging brick? Just your non-Windows based smartphone. That either means disappointment or you'll need Android or Apple. Just kidding, no one uses Windows phones. Download the app via the App Store or Google Play. There's a handy QR code in the box to take you right to the store if you're not into typing words. Unless, of course, you have yet to download a QR reader, then you're out of luck. All right, let's do it. Unscrew the back cap to access the switch. Turn the switch on. Of course, make sure it's charged first. Then open your phone's Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the thing that closely resembles the Wi-Fi ferret. Okay, now open the app and you're ready to go. You can record video and snap pictures in 720p quality and save them right to your phone's photo and video library for your crevice exploration adventures. Turn off or on the LEDs and adjust from 2 brightness settings. I guess 3 if you count off. You also have a handy battery charge indicator that tells you how juiced the ferret is, and a question mark button that helps you remember what all the pictures mean.
What happens if you forget what the question mark button does?
So if you're ready to inspect, you may want to know the bulk it adds to your glow rod or fish rod system. Q dimension segment, about 1 1/4 inch extra height, and about 3 1/4 inches long. Now you're probably wondering, what's the catch? You have to buy it? So now you have a handy dandy flexible inspection tool to help you retrieve lost tools, explore hard to reach spaces, and even odd angles with the flexible neck. Looking for pests? I don't know. Are ferrets pests? Do they live in trees? That was a joke, man. Ferrets are cool. No, they're not. Look in your gutters. Inspect an HVAC system. Or pretend like you're inspecting an HVAC system. Look for blockages in plumbing or culverts, or pretend you're doing so. Look for hard to find leaks in ceilings or floors, or trying to find the source of an easy to spot one, or just look to see how big the spiders really are back there behind your walls. Plumbers, mechanics, install techs, HVAC dudes, contractor gals, pest control heroes, explorers, people curious about holes. Everyone needs the Wi-Fi ferret. Well, maybe not pests. While this isn't the regular sort of video for this channel, you're still allowed to subscribe anyway, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, the usual. If it's something you'd use at your job, check out the links below the video and buy it over at Tech Tool Supply. And I'll link a few of the other videos here that I've done for them over the years so you can see more of my face. So check them out, and thanks for watching.